I hope you all are doing good. So welcome back to computer online class. Dear children, so we have completed 6 chapters in your computer textbook, right? I hope you all are practicing. You have practiced whatever we have learned, right? And now today we are gonna start the last chapter in your computer textbook. Okay, chapter 7. So if you have your textbook ready with you, turn to page number 81. Okay, if you don't have your textbook, take your textbook very fast. Okay, and turn to page number 81. 81. Okay, and your 7th chapter is in page number 81. The topic is Introduction to Logo. Okay, you know what is logo? Okay, this is a new topic to you, right? Logo means a computer software application. Okay, this application is used to create a kind of programming language. Okay, so if you want to create a program, you know what is a program, dear children? Okay, a program is a set of instruction that you give to your computer so that your computer will obey whatever you want it to do. Okay, for example, when you speak to your friends and you want your friends to do something, you tell them, isn't it? What language you use? You use your familiar language. Either you use English or your mother tongue, right? So if you want your friend to do anything, you should convey in the sense that your friend could understand, right? So if your friend don't understand what you speak, can he able to do what you want him to do? He cannot able to do, right? Similar to that, a computer will also understand whatever you speak if you speak in computer's language. Okay, so that computer language is called programming language. Okay, so you have many programming language, not only one language. Just like we humans also speak many language, right? We speak English, we speak Tamil, Malayalam. Okay, so humans have many languages. Similar to that, computer also has many languages. So one among that language is this logo. Okay, so using this you can able to create set of instructions that your computer can understand. Okay, first let's see how to open this logo and what are the features available in this. Okay, so you have a turtle, a triangle like structure when you open this Microsoft logo application. Okay, that turtle like that triangle structure is called turtle. Okay, what is it called? Turtle, logo turtle. Okay, and the top part is called head of the turtle and this part is called tail of the turtle. Okay, using this turtle you will create the images or you will create whatever you want in this particular programming language. So it acts just like a pencil for drawing. Okay, so this programming language is especially created for drawing. Okay, so if you want to draw something, if you want your computer to draw something, using this language you can ask your computer to draw. Okay, so this a logo turtle acts as a pencil or pen. Okay, and if you make any mistakes while writing, you will erase, isn't it? Similar to that, even in this application you have eraser also. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay, is it interesting, dear children? Okay, let's learn, right? So before going into the project, you need to know some of the important words. Okay, so that we use in this application. First is command. Command means, as I've already told you, instruction. Okay, set of instruction that you want the turtle to execute. So if you give command, it will obey you. Okay, so that is called command. Then how will you open this logo application? First you should install that. Okay, so if you're using our school computer, then it is very easy. Okay, we already have installed this application, so no problem. But if you are using your personal laptop or personal computer, Also easy. So it is a freelance software, so you can go to Google, type Microsoft logo, then there will be a software application called Microsoft logo. Click on that, download it, then install in your computer. Then after that you can go to start all programs, click on Microsoft logo, then Microsoft Windows logo will appear. Okay, understand? So the initial page will be looking like this. Okay, so this area is called main screen. This is called recall list box. Okay, then these are control buttons. Okay, then first let me open it. Okay, now can you able to see? So this area is called main screen. This area is called recall list box, and this is called control buttons. These are called command input box. Okay, and this is commander box. Okay, so the entire thing is called commander box. Okay, so this is your MSW logo screen. Okay, once you open the application, it will be looking like this. I told you this triangle like thing. Okay, so this is called logo turtle. Okay, so don't forget all these names, dear children. So these are very new words to you. This is a new application, so keep everything in mind. Okay, so in the next year you will be learning advanced in this programming language, so you need to know the basics. In this class I will cover all the basics that you need to know. Okay, so in this main screen, using this logo turtle, you will draw your pictures. Okay, and this commander window is where you will type your commands, and that will be executed in this window. Okay, so the commander window has two sections. One is input box and recall list box, as I had already told you, right? Okay, so which is recall list box? Just now I told you, right? This area is called recall list, and this small box is called input box. Here you will give input and here you will get the output. Okay, so execution also will be done here. Then you have control buttons. Okay, these are used to control your programs. Okay, so next thing is how to enter commands. Okay, you have varieties of commands. Okay, fd, rd, rt. Okay, so these are all called commands. You know what is fd? Fd means forward. When you use this command, your turtle will move forward. Okay, that is why you use fd command. RT means right. So if you want your turtle to turn to the right direction, right position, then you use this RT. Okay, and you also have other commands like for turning left you have LT. Okay, backward, if you want to turn your turtle backwards, you use BK. And you also can give space between drawings using space bar. Okay, then you also have other commands like I told you, left command you have. Then home command. Home command means it comes back to the original position. See here in this application, the position where you see this turtle in the beginning is called your home position. Okay, so if you want to bring the turtle back to this home position, you can use this home command. Okay, then the next command is cs command, that is clear screen. So I told you, for erasing everything that you have drawn, you can use this cs command. It means it will clear everything, clear screen command. Okay, then you have shed command. Okay, so this command is used to turn the turtle's head in the clockwise direction. Okay, so for getting an image like this, you can able to use this shed command. Okay, it will turn in the clockwise direction. Okay, so these are the different commands you have in your logo, Microsoft logo. Okay, now let's see an example how to insert commands, how to type commands in your MSW logo. For that, first of all, you should open your Microsoft logo. Okay, MSW logo screen. Okay, I have opened this. Now where we should give our input? In the input box, right? So click here, bring your mouse, click here, and you could able to see a cursor blinking, right? So here you should give your commands. So shall we give forward command now? Okay, forward command FD, right? So every command should be in capital letter. So click on the caps lock, type FD. Then you should click the space bar. Give one space and number of steps you want your turtle to move. You should mention now. Okay. So I'll mention 15. So 15 means 15 steps it will move. So after mentioning it, click the enter key. Can you able to see? So the command I have typed is here, and can you able to see your turtle is moved forward. This is 10 steps. Okay, so this is how you should enter commands in your Microsoft logo screen. Understood, dear children? Will you practice this today? Okay, so with this I'll wind up this chapter. Okay, so these are the basic things that you need to know in this logo application. So similar to this command, you have other commands also, which you will be learning in your next year. Okay, when you go to higher class, you will learn this. Okay, so today you practice this, and with this your syllabus is over. Okay, today in WhatsApp group I'll be posting today's practice work. Check out that and complete it. Okay, and so far whatever I have taught and I have given you as practice work, prepare well for your exam, for your final exam. Okay, dear children, and if you have any doubts, contact me to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.